Hello and welcome to Rain and Rail Enthusiast and our continuation of this series along the railway line. To find out where we are today, here's Future John with the map.
Thanks, John. We will be visiting the South Eastern Mainline, which runs from Charing Cross and Cannon Street on the northwest of the map down to Dover Priory on the southeast. For this first part of the series, we'll be looking at the stations from Sandling all the way up to Marden, leaving out Ashford International as we are only interested in the smaller stations on this line. And today, we're at Staplehurst. Opened in 1842 by the South Eastern Railway Company, Staplehurst was very much like any other rural station on the line. Staggered platforms and a tongue-and-groove timber building similar to that at Pluckley were erected in 1844. Goods facilities were placed on the London-bound side in 1875, which included a coal depot and a through goods shed with 4 sidings. By 1885 they were complemented by more goods facilities on the coastbound side. The coal part of this yard remained right up to 1971, quite an achievement. This new station building was erected in 1988 and the station was made fully accessible with the addition of this new footbridge with integrated lifts in 2008. The interior of the station building is clean and functional, and during the morning peak it also has a refreshment kiosk. At time of filming, passenger traffic is provided by Class 375 electric multiple units.
Passenger information. This Easter weekend, engineering work is taking place across the South Eastern network. On Easter Sunday, Charing Cross Station will be closed, and trains will be diverted to run to and from Cannon Street. Your tickets on other underground services and no entry costs will be allowed.
On platform 1 you will find bike lockers, an electronic ticketing machine, an assistance point, a few information posters, and some toilets which are only operational when the station is staffed. As previously noted, you can make your way to platform 2 via the accessible lifts. And once on platform 2 you will find the onward travel information board. The station has waiting shelters and dot matrix displays across both platforms. The statistics for Staplehurst are that it opened in 1842. At time of filming it has 1 train per hour in both directions off peak and at weekends, with extra services to Cannon Street in the peak times, and the entry and exit figures for 2019-2020 were 855,082. Staplehurst is a fairly modern station with little to show of its past. However, a well-proportioned station building gives it a little character, and the fully accessible platforms make it a functional place to catch a train. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks very much for watching.